Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I'm going to show you how to change your default media player. In this sample video, as it is shown here, the default media player is Sys Media Player in Windows 10. So I will show you how to change into some other media player. I want to make my default media player VLC media player, so I'll show you how to change this media player into VLC media player. So the first thing what you are going to do in this search box and this start menu, just search for apps. Then from this you will find these apps and features. Click there, then from there you'll find default apps. Click there, then from this default apps you'll see this one, music player, video player. So for both this audio and video player, the default is media player. So I want to change this media player into VLC media player. So I want this is video player, so I want to change the video player, not the audio player, music player. So I'll go here, click there, then when you click you will find a number of options. So from this you have to choose VLC media player. Then after that, you see now it has changed it. So now let's check out desktop. You see when I open it, it is directly open it with VLC media player. So you can change by this way as your default media player. So in order to check it, go back again to apps and features, then we'll go to default apps. You see here it is VLC media player is the default media player. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.